Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Typeform and Zendesk Sell. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new entry is added in Typeform, it will automatically create a lead in Zendesk Sell. Now Typeform is an awesome form builder and Zendesk Sell is a sales CRM software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Typeform to Zendesk Sell. But there is one minor problem. Of course, there is some kind of integration between Typeform and Zendesk Sell. But this native integration is kind of limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Typeform and Zendesk Sell. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Typeform to Zendesk. Typeform to Zendesk. Okay, Zendesk Sell. Okay. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Typeform? Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new entry? Now new entry is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new entry is made in Typeform, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, at present, there is only one trigger, that is new entry. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new entry is made in Typeform. Okay, so just click on connect with Typeform. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Typeform. Okay, scroll down and at the bottom you will find accept. Click this. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press on OK. Scroll down and you will find the blank called as form. And when you expand this, you will find two options, Shopify product and Zendesk Sell lead. So what is this? So basically these are the two forms I have in my Typeform account. So let me show you my Typeform account. Okay, so as you can see, these are the two forms I have, Shopify product and the Zendesk Sell lead. How about I create one more form? Okay, so this is one form that I'm going to create. So I'm going to create from scratch. Okay, so the name of the Typeform, the newly created Typeform is Superman Forms. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue and just going to click on publish. Okay, so a form called as Superman Forms has been created. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and let's refresh this. Okay. So as you can see, you will find Superman forms available in the drop-down. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that whatever variation or whatever form here is in Typeform is created, it will be reflected in the drop-down box. But at present, I just want to receive the data from this form, that is Zendesk Sell lead. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that this particular form. Let me go back. Okay, 1 minute. This particular form, that is Zendesk Sell lead, has been integrated with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how about we capture the data from Zendesk Sell lead? So to do that, just click on capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let's go to Typeform. Okay, and I'm going to make some entries in this particular form. I'm just going to click on share, copy this link, and imagine this, a dummy person is filling in the details. Okay, so the email of the person is 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗆@gmail.com. Okay, the first name is Jewel, last name is Tyrone, Jewel Tyrone. Address is Macedonia Villa. City is Rome. State is I don't know, Albania. Sorry about my poor geography. And 75001, that's the postal code. Anything random things that's popping in my head, that's all. Country is Vatican. Okay, so there is one more thing, that is the organization. So Joel works in, let's say, SpaceX. She works in SpaceX. Then click on submit. Okay, so it is showing the information is sent. So let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Since it is integrated with Typeform, has it captured this data or not? So let's go and see. Yes, the data has been captured. So let's scroll down and let's see our data. Okay, so scroll down. Can we see anything? Okay, so here is the email, that is 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗆@gmail.com, and then we have the name, that is the first name, Jewel. We have Tyrone as the last name. Okay, this is the city, that is Macedonia Villa. This is the state, that is Rome, I think. And then we have Albania as the country, I think, or no, the country was Vatican. Okay, and then we have the organization as SpaceX. Okay, so excellent. So we are going to use this data to create a lead in Zendesk. So to do that, just scroll down, and here you will find the plus button. Click this. So when you click on this plus button, another window appears in front of you. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Zendesk Sell? Okay, because we want to create a lead in Zendesk Sell. Now the action event is create a lead. Now there are many more action events like create deal, create contact, update contact, get lead. All of them are bunch of action events. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a lead from the data that we have received from Typeform. Okay, just click on connect with Zendesk Sell. In the new credentials, again click on connect with Zendesk Sell. Okay, so it is demanding authorization. Basically, Pabbly Connect just want to access your Zendesk Sell account. So before you authorize, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on authorize. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. When you click on OK, a set of blanks will appear in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a lead from the data that we have received from Typeform via Pabbly Connect. So let me introduce you to this particular button. This is called as the mapping button. When you click this, you can just start filling in the details and it will appear here. So the email was this, 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗪𝗆@gmail.com. Oh, okay. So here we have to fill in the name. I'm sorry. So first name is, I think was Jewel. Yes. So we have mapped it. Then we are going to map in the last name. I think it was Tyrone. Okay. Organization was SpaceX. Okay. So we don't have any information regarding the title, but in the select source, it is showing Campaign Monitor, Google Sheet, Typeform, MailChimp, and all those things. Okay, so your obvious question is why it is showing something, all these companies. This is because, let me show you my lead sources. So I have gone to settings and I'm going to leads, and then I'm going to go to lead sources. So these are the sources where the leads came from. So how about I add one more source? Do we have Typeform? Okay, so there is already Typeform present here. So I'm going to add one additional lead. How about a company called as Twitter is added? Okay, Twitter is already added. YouTube, Google Forms. Okay, Google Forms. Okay, so we have added a lead source because already Typeform is already added. So that is why. So okay, so we have added a source called as Google Forms. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so in the drop down you will find yes, you will find the source as Google Forms, so you can just enter it here. But at present we just can't do that because our lead source is from Typeform. So let's make it as Typeform. Now let's scroll down. Do we have the phone number? No, we don't have the phone number. So scroll down and we have the address line or something. No, we don't have the Macedonia. Was the address Macedonia Villa? Yes. Then we have the city. City was Albania. Yes, this was the city. And then we have the zip code 75001. Okay, the state was, I think, was Macedonia. No, Greece. I don't remember this state. So let's scroll down and see SpaceX. I think it was Vatican. No, it was not Vatican. I think it was Albania. No, the city was Albania, so we don't have data regarding the state, so let's remove that. Country was Vatican. Okay, so basically we have entered all the important details to create sufficient enough to create a lead. So just scroll down and click on send and save test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Zendesk Sell. So let's have a look. So I'm going to click on leads and let's see whether we have a lead called as Joel. So I'm going to search. Yes, we have a lead called as Joel Thyron and she works in SpaceX. Excellent. So this means that we have successfully integrated Zendesk Sell and Typeform with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. So before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So basically this is my action window and I have minimized this and I have also minimized my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Typeform to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Zendesk Sell. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Typeform and Zendesk Sell. Excellent. So how about we make one more entry. So I'm just copying this link and pasting this. Imagine this that a dummy person is filling in the details. So the name is, the email is human123@gmail.com. Okay. The first name is Rita. Last name is Brown. Address is Placebo Palace. Okay. Dexter Port as a city. State was California. Okay. 64001. Okay. Country is America. Okay. Organization, she works in Apple. Just click on submit. Okay, so the information is has been sent perfectly. So let's have a look in Zendesk Sell whether we have a girl called as Rita. Yes, we have a person or the lead called as Rita Brown. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime our entry is made in Typeform, it will be reflected as a lead in Zendesk Sell.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.